Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be playing a game called Monkey Mischief, oh my gosh. Monkey Day. It's a really fun game. I would definitely recommend this game. If you have a VR headset, I would definitely get this game if I were you, but it's your opinion, you don't have to. If you don't have a VR headset, that's totally fine. You can just watch this, and also don't forget to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. It would really mean a lot to me. Also, if I like 10 subscribers, I will make a fan lobby. I haven't said this in a lot of my videos because I've been making a lot of meme videos. So yeah, let's get into it. So there's a basketball court right here. You pick up the balls. And yeah, you can slam dunk them. And yeah. Like that, it's pretty fun. And over here we have the an ice skating rink. It's really fun over here, and you can go in the water, and the audio, like in a public lobby. I'm not even connected to a lobby right now, but in a public lobby, there will be an echo to my voice right now. But yeah, it's a really fun game. Also, in the description, there's gonna be a game. It's called Boredom Land. Go check it out. It's really fun. Right now, it's shut down. Not this, like all this. You can't get out a stump. That's what I mean by shut down. But yeah, it's a really fun game whenever it's not shut down. Oh, and here we have a museum. It's pretty cool. It's kind of funny and weird, but yeah. That's really scary. These are all the creators of the game. Or no, this is all fan art. And yeah. I don't understand how somebody made this, but you know. That's really cool. I kind of thought these were like, oh god, that scared the crap out of me. Don't do that again, Jimmy. Got cake though. And yeah, Gunu, he's here. And this is the first like tree that was in the game. And that was the first player model. So yeah, that was all the fan art. Did you see that capybara down there? It's not the only one. And here's the jungle. It's got a waterfall. There's a capybara that always falls. Yeah. It's kind of like forest and gorilla tag. There's these weird like ropes or whatever these are. But yeah, you can come up here. The capybara will fall right there. He has a hitbox. And yeah, also go check me out on Twitch, Blue VR or something like that. Show some support to my friend also. It was PokeRave. He has like 100 subscribers. So yeah, that's the shout out I'm gonna give to him. Also, I'm gonna go into public to do the last thing, which is going to be the main part of this video. Here is all the cosmetics. A coconut. You can't put them on because I'm not connected to it. But yeah. So let me just go to a server. Real quick. Join server 6. I am a pink monkey. So let's join server 2 because I want them. It's not a server 1. I think it's full. Server 5. Alright. I probably have cosmetics already on. I'm going in jungle for some reason. Alright, so here are the cosmetics and stuff. As you can see, I have a diamond face on, a coconut, and a banana.
Maybe it's VR? The monkey game is VR?
Yeah. Oh, also there's tapes, like tape recordings around the entire map. There's a TV you can watch, disable and enable. It's really bouncy couch. There's like 3 little stuffed animals or something, whatever those are. And yeah, we also have.
Follow me, okay? No, but not a moderator. Oh, I'm not modding. The glitch. You have to head into the back rooms.
I hope there's not a moderator.
And yeah, this is the bathrooms.
No, guys, don't.
Get out. Run! Get to the
No, don't run. You have to wait for the monster. Or you can get killed fast. He's choosing to get killed.
Hello.
He's choosing to get killed. Listen to me. Hello.
Hey.
So, like, oh,
There's the retard. Go that way.
there he is. Do we get caught by
My
him?
monster.
Leaving map.
How did I get caught? What? Stop. Stop. Come on. Come on. We. I wanna win, no matter what. Let me in.
Oh my gosh, I'm scared.
Oh shoot. Please open. Wait. I'm out. Huh. Well, I guess that's how you get out of the map. This is so sketchy. Better not be a moderator. How did I get caught? What? So yeah, this is how you get out the map. I know. Okay.
Where are you?
I'm sorry. Ooh, get you. Ooh, you're so slow. Oh my god. He's so slow. Oh my god. No, please. Oh, that's how you do it. So you put your arm through and then you just pull. Oh my god. Don't scream at me like that again. I will beat your butt.
No, beat in my ass.
Yeah, there we go. Look at that monkey. Alright. I don't know which way I'm going. You just don't want that thing to catch you. Uh-oh. Wait. Hey, this is fun. Oh no! No! That was awesome. So that's pretty much it. Here, let me show you the moderator events. Something I don't have. Yeah, it's a moderator event. I wish I could be in it, but you know, it's called live. But live does not work. I mean, there might be a way to get to moderator. So, yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. So make sure to leave a like and subscribe. It would really mean a lot to me. Also, go check out my friend, Pokey Rave. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys in the next one.